And action!
Woo-wee! Okay. Hi everybody. Today we're finishing the lockdown series of getting to the back through an unorthodox manner. Reverse lockdown, prison guard grip, or crunch grip. Either or will get you in the same position. Just a small variation. Something like that. Okay. Starting from half guard without my lockdown, without double underhooks. I'm just gonna bring my outside foot in, get my lockdown, frame, jaws of life, so I can get my frames on the upper body. That means I have inside control. Then I have double underhooks. Underhook the knee, bring them over. Okay, now we're here. So this is the focus of this video. In a normal scenario for the electric chair, I'm going to dive my head really deep and underhook her leg as much as possible. If I feel threatened by the DARS, then I'll go for this gable grip control. So I'll take my right hand out and connect a gable grip up over her shoulder and pull her back down to me. Now I'm going to, keeping this clinch the whole time so she can't get up and get away, I'm going to switch my feet to a reverse lockdown. In my opinion, this lockdown makes way more sense. I mean, they both make sense. This one gets me to the back in the truck without having to let go of my grip. So once I get this clinch with the upper body, I'll take the time to move my grip to the reverse lockdown with my feet. And now, if she gets this arm free and she doesn't feel like holding onto this arm, I'll shrug the arm up. She'll try to bring it back in between us by pulling her elbow down in here. And I'll just keep connected and climb up to her back. If she has her whizzer and this grip isn't making her fearful, I'll take my hand around to the other side of her neck, crunch grip, and then I'll try to just torque her shoulder up in front of my face and immediately grab this shoulder. So I'm pulling myself up with this shoulder, and also my far hand, my rear hand is grabbing her hip. So I'm connected to her really tight. From here I can obviously climb my leg over. I'm flexible enough to just bring my foot up and put it through there. Or I can come here, get my grip on her body, and go to the truck. Okay, different angle. Start finding the lockdown. We're here. You can whip them down to get your underhooks. They post their hand. Lift the knee. Make it light. She under or overhooks. She's trying to DARS, so I take this hand out and I get a tight prison guard grip and pull her to me. I don't want my arms extended while I mess with my lockdown. Now I can switch my feet here. As she's trying to maybe push up, get away, I'm going to switch my grip, crank on her shoulder. This forces most people, even big guys with strong shoulders, have tighter shoulders. So this works great. Now I switch to a palm on her shoulder and a grip around the hip. Pull her to me, pull myself to her, and then I can go for my truck here. To quickly expose the back, just extend them away again. Reach your hand through under their head, connect a seatbelt grip, and then we're good. We can start working for the back or the choke from right here. You can get up,